Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Marami na naman tayong mga bagong dating na unit. Magaganda at quality itong mga unit na to. Na-scan at na-check ko na po ito. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong OFW at sa mga viewers ko po dito sa Pinas na naghahanap ng sasakyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Baka may makursunadahan kayo. Wala nang maraming intro. Simulan na natin. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Alright, handa na ba kayo? Eto na po sila. 2008 Ford Ranger Tracker XLT 2.5T DCI 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine, mileage 106,000 kms, price 428,000. Location Parañaque City. Smooth shifting, 5-speed automatic transmission, wala po itong delay. All power and all mechanism are working well. Ice cold aircon, naka-touchscreen head unit, may kasama na po itong TV Plus. Working po ang TV niyan. Clean and fresh, intact interior, well maintained and well preserved unit. Maayos po ito, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Excellent interior condition po ang unit na to. Mayroon na rin siyang rear center armrest. Check nyo po engine bay nito, naka 2.5 liter TDCI, fuel efficient, malakas po humatak, good running condition. Machong macho, ang gwapo ng forma nito, naka 20 inches enforcer mags, tapos may terrain tires, nasa 85% tire condition, naka Bushwhacker flare fenders, naka Carry Boy rain gutter, naka Carry Boy bedliner matting. Outside appearance nito, smooth shiny paint, wala pong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable. 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 35,000 kms, price 388,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa nagpapahanap sa akin ng Ford EcoSport, eto na idol, check mo to. Multi-info display, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, Bluetooth ready na po ito, may phone connectivity, smooth shifting, 6-speed automatic transmission, neat and clean ang interior, all power buttons, windows, working po lahat, naka-fabric ang mga upuan, 5-seater po ang capacity, saktong laki lang ang trunk space pero second row niya natutupi po. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine na may 121 horsepower at 150 Nm of torque. No issue, no talsik, no blow-by. Outside appearance ng unit, smooth original shiny paint. Ang pogi din ng pagka-blue na ito. Naka-Ren visor na po yan. May DRL light, naka-Rafter grill, may pag lights na rin yan. Keyless entry, sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. 2018 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LSA Blue Power 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 43,000 kms, price 1,158,000. Location Pasig City. Multi-function steering wheel, push start with cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, wala pong delay, naka-Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera, all gauge 100% working. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. May ceiling monitor na po yan. Ang ganda po ng unit na to, like new condition, naka 7 to 8 seater capacity at lahat po yan naka all leather. Maluwag po ang trunk space nito at marami po itong rear aircon vents. Engine bay nito 100% no issue, malakas humatak, no leaks, no overheat history. Top of the line series po ito ni MU-X. Ang ganda po ng kulay nito, wala pong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable. Kompleto po yan ng back sensor, may daytime running lights, may fog lights. Condition na po ito, good running condition, ready for long drive. 2013 Ford Escape 2.0 XLS automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 kms, price 378,000. Location Parañaque City. Gwapong-gwapo rin ang unit na to, makinis, naka-registered hanggang 2024. Smooth driving, fresh and clean intact interior, may anti-lock braking system, naka-dual airbag na rin to, all panel gauge and all power features 100% working. Maayos and in excellent condition ang unit na to, alaga talaga ng may-ari. First owner acquired, naka-QCI multi-camera dashcam na rin to. Best buy unit to sa naghahanap ng 5-seater na crossover. Solid po ang under chassis nito, wala pong kalampag. Well maintained and well preserved talaga ang unit nito. Kita naman sa kondisyon ng itsura ng sasakyan, pati trunk space niyan malinis. Under the hood, check nyo po engine bay nito. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by, wala pong overheat history. Malakas sumatak ang unit na to, good running condition, ready for long drive. Naka 3M tent na rin po yung unit na to, naka Ren visor, naka 16 inches alloy wheels, may roof rail na po yan. Mga gulong nito nasa 90% trade line. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. Next, 2013 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS V 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 668,000. Location Las Piñas City. Casa maintain po ito with Casa records. May anti-lock braking system, may electronic stability and traction control, 5-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Malinis ang interior nito, naka-fabric seats, 7 to 8 seater capacity. First owned unit, check nyo po, andyan po yung records yan. Casa maintain with Casa records po yan. Available po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Overall appearance ng unit, makinis. Sasakyan nyo na lang to, 4 na gulong nito, naka-Michelin, bago po lahat. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view at i-test drive ang unit. Next, 2020 Mitsubishi Strada 2.5 GLS Sport automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 21,000 kms, price 1,098,000. Location Pasig City. Top of the line series, like new condition, naka 7 inches Android monitor with navigation with Bluetooth ready with reverse camera, push start button with cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. Very low mileage lang po ang unit ito at alaga talaga ng may-ari. 100% not flooded unit, kompleto po ang mga papel nito, manual and booklet at spare key. Maayos ang mga pag-ilalim niyan, solid po yan, wala pong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine na may 179 horsepower at 430 Nm torque. Naka 20 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS SE 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 82,000 kms, price 598,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Another quality na Montero, this time 4x4 lang po ito, 7 to 8 seater capacity. Sariwa ang unit, malamig ang aircon, may automatic climate control, all power, all mechanism are working well maintained and well preserved po ang unit na to, first owned. Maluwag ang trunk space na ito, pwede to sa mahilig mag-travel dyan. Outside appearance ng unit, very presentable. 4 na gulong nito, makakapal pa naman. Condition po ang unit, ready for long drive. Just comment down below sa mga interesado at i-assist ko po kayo. 2018 Mazda 3 1.6 Sky Active automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 620,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock, all original. Mandi po ang coding nito. All power, all mechanism are working well. May electronic stability and traction control. Another requested unit po ito, Mazda 3. Sa nagpapahanap po sa akin, i-check mo to idol, baka makorosonadahan mo. Sariwa at maayos ang kondisyon ng unit. Kita naman sa itsura. Check nyo po under the hood, naka 1.6 liter gas engine na may 110 horsepower at 144 Nm of torque. Superb condition, no engine issue. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing. At kung may existing unit kayo, pwede rin po dito trade-in. 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 720,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nag-request ulit sa akin magpahanap ng Hyundai Santa Fe na 7-seater na diesel engine, check nyo rin tong unit na to. Push start, naka-power steering na to, naka-dual airbag. Sa second row naman, okay naman ang space ng legroom tsaka headroom. Intact po ang interior nito at maayos po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan. Trunk space nito, saktong laki lang pero natutupi po ang third row niyan. Under the hood, excellent running condition. Guaranteed no issue, no leaks, no overheat history. Available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition sa screen. Kung may inquiry naman kayo at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2019 Nissan Almera 1.5 LE automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 480,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng sedan na below 500k ang budget na sariwa, eto, naka-rear spoiler na po yan. Naka-touchscreen head unit, malamig po ang aircon nito, may automatic climate control, naka-two-toned leather seats, smooth po ang suspension, malinis at maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan. Best buy unit to at mababa lang po ang mileage na tinakbo nito, hindi masyadong nagamit. Engine bay nito, garantisadong wala pong issue, no leaks, no overheat history, good running condition, nothing to fix, sasakyan nyo na lang to. Available Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Pwede po kayong magpa-schedule ng viewing. At kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2018 Mazda 3 1.6 Sky Active, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 610,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another Mazda 3, may back sensor at reverse camera, 2018 model pero 2019 acquired to. May anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Pristine condition, all stock, all original. Maayos din ang kondisyon ng mga upuan, walang punit, may rear center armrest, intact at malinis din ang trunk space nito. Alaga talaga ng may-ari. Under the hood, naka 1.6 liter gas engine na may 110 horsepower at 144 Nm of torque. Good running condition, no hidden defects. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. LTO verified na po ito. Kompleto po ang mga papel, ready for transfer. Sasakyan mo na lang to. Just gas and go. Next, 2017 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GT 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 1,190,000. Location Las Piñas City. May back sensor with reverse camera, push start with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen head unit, naka power seats na po yan, 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift, maraming rear aircon vents, kaya komportable po ang sakay nito sa likuran, 7 to 8 seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather seat. Maganda ang suspension nito, solid ang under chassis. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong overheat history, malinis, wala pong oil leakage, naka 2-toned 18 inches alloy wheels, malinis po, wala pong mga gutter marks at mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 85% tire condition. Automatic fold po ang side mirror niyan, may rain visor, naka keyless entry and immobilizer. 2016 Toyota Fortuner 2.4V automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 1,150,000. Location Las Piñas City. Eto, Toyota Fortuner V variant, may reverse camera and back sensor. Thursday ang coding nito. Push start button with cruise control, may electronic stability and traction control, naka power seats at lahat po ng upuan naka original leather seats, power window at power mirrors, gumagana po lahat. 7 to 8 seater capacity, maayos po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan, wala rin pong crack, walang punit. 100% hindi po ito nabaha, 100% no accident history. Under the hood, naka 2.4 diesel engine na may 147 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque, naka Motolet battery. Malinis at maayos po ang kondisyon ng makina, wala pong oil leakage. Syempre, available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Outside appearance ng unit, makinis, very presentable. Urig shiny paint, wala pong gasgas, walang dent. 2021 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 Cross, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 13,000 kms, price 970,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng pagkaputi nito, another requested na Expander Cross. Eto po idol, check mo pong mabuti, baka makursunadahan mo. Push start na rin to with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen head unit, well maintained, clean and intact interior, naka dual aircon na po ito. 7-seater capacity, best buy unit at ang baba lang po ng mileage nito. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong problema ang makina, no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Ulitin ko lang din po ulit, kung cash basis po kayo, negotiable upon viewing, at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po dito trade-in. At sa selected models, free na po ang transfer of ownership. Next, 2013 Ford Everest 2.5 TDCi 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 510,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng SUV na below 500k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Smooth and responsive po ang transmission nito, wala pong delay sa shifting, all power, all mechanism are working well. 7-seater capacity, maayos po ang kondisyon nito, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nagustuhan kayo, at kung wala pa po dyan ng kursunadan yung sasakyan, paki-comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo sa mga request yung unit. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, mabuhay po kayong lahat. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Keep safe everyone. Peace out!